benchmark KPI, so key performance indicator with the industry standard. So whatever the industry standard. Do you know about 4.0? Anyone idea about 4.0?
4.0 Industrial Revolution, where they actually exchange everything into automation and replaced employees with technology.
Exactly, yeah. So your bench KPI should be like aligned with the industry standards we have it, whether it's like a Six Sigma or like TQM or any standard, ISO standard we have, NIST standard we have, okay, or like ISO 9000 quality standard we have, ISO 27001 security standard we have. So your KPI, there should be a benchmark. For your KPIs. So if your KPI is, let's suppose, 2 and the benchmark is 3, so you know that I am just like 1 digits away from the industry standard over there. Okay, just like you have in university, we have standardization like NCAA. Okay, accreditation organization we have. Saudi ministry, they have NCAA. So all university have to comply with the NCAA. So if your organization is not compliant with that one, so it means your quality of education is substandard over there. Okay, so you have, because there is some like minimum criteria you have to fulfill over there. Or internationally, we have ABIT, we have NCAA, or sorry, AAACSB, we have it. Okay, so these are the different standards we have it. So industry standard you have to cope with. Okay, wrap the matrix with the contextual metadata. Contextual means sometimes you need to link the numbers with the some context. Okay, so for example, if I say 1 or 2 or 3, so it doesn't mean anything. So when I say like, for example, you have 3.6, so it doesn't mean anything. But when I say you have 3.6 GPA, it means a lot for you. Okay, for example, so if I say you have 3.6 GPA out of 4, you will be happy. But if I say you have a 3.6 GPA out of 5, you will not be happy. So see, the context matters. So sometimes the number makes you happy, and sometimes the number makes you sad. Okay, just like nowadays you say the case, daily case, the Ministry of Health give you on daily basis the COVID cases. Sometimes it say 1,000, sometimes 2,000, 3,000. So the numbers sometimes makes you happy and sometimes makes you sad over there. So there is a different standards over there, you have to match with it. Okay, so numbers are important when there is a context, but numbers are not important when there is no context with it. So validate the design by usability specialist. Okay, so whenever you make a design dashboard, you need to make it like a validate by the usability. Means there is a word in a computer we call like a HCI. You know about HCI? Have you had a course on HCI? Human computer interface, with maybe Dr. Shaista or someone, or Dr. Nabil. He taught this course HCI. I think, yes, okay. Sarah, she had a course with HCI, yeah. So in the HCI, you usually see that how the interaction of the machine with the U. Okay. So similarly, in the dashboard, you have to validate, you have to test your design, okay, through black box testing or white box testing, okay, or that how you are like interacting. Sometimes it works well, but the design is not that much good. It's not user friendly. It's difficult to use. Okay, it is like it's not good for your eyes. Some colors or schemes are used very dark over there. Sometimes the things which is more needed, it is placed in a very corner that is not like with the first glance you cannot view it. So you have to keep things which is more visible in the front, and those things which is not here, which is not needed more, you can keep it in the corner of the dashboard over there. Okay. This is called validating the design by usability specialist over there. Prioritize and rank the alerts and exception. Okay, so you have to say, you have to give priority which alert should be first and which error should be first. Okay. Enrich dashboard with the business user comments. Okay, so business user comments are important. If there is any problem or something, so there should be a help manager with that one. Present information in 3 different levels over there. The level which we talk, monitoring and analysis, the 3 different models we discussed in the previous slide. This one. This one, this one, monitoring, analysis, and management. Okay, so where were we? Okay. um, Take the right visual construct. So visual construct, as I told you, it's very important. Okay, provide the guided analytics. Okay, so that there is some like rules regulation for the analytics. Use that one. Okay, so we have like in business performance management. Okay, I think is it enough for today, or should we go further? I think it's enough for today. We will have the rest of the 15 slides or 20 slides in the next session. Okay. Yeah, so all is about BPM. Okay, so we will enjoy it later in the next class. Okay. Meanwhile, I want to show you the dashboard again. Those who did not have a look at that one, let me show you that how the dashboard usually looks like. Okay. Are you with me? Can you see the screen? Okay, right. So this is like, for example, one of the website. Okay, so I'm logging into the dashboard, okay, of this website, okay, to see that which changes I can see. Now this is one of the dashboard for my website, like for the myresearchmentor.org. So I can see over here that how much total payments I have received from the students or from the teachers. Okay, how many total user I have it. Okay, total number of students, total number of institutions registered with me, and the total number of tutors I have it. Okay, how many subscriptions I have it. See over here, like golden student subscription is there, gold and instructions subscriptions, premium tutors subscriptions. So I can see the difference in that one. Okay. I can see like for example like different student bookings over there. Okay, the users, how many user I have it, how many students I have it. Okay, so by this way, I can change the locations of the users over there. I can change the certificates of the teachers and students over there. The pages I have it, dynamic pages I have it. Okay, I can change the different about us thing, about like for example how it works, and all this I can change from this place. Okay, and it will be displayed over there. Okay. And the language settings I can change from here. The payment settings, I can know who paid or who did not pay for it. Okay, so all the things in the from dashboard I can easily see who paid through PayPal or through Stripe or through credit card. Okay, and the email templates, for example, sometime you don't need to write the emails all the time. You just structure your email that for registration what kind of email should be there. So it is like already built-in emails. You can have it. Forgot password, sometime if some student or some teacher they forgot password, so this template will be sent to him. Okay, and all these activities are there on it. So this is like for example profile of this dashboard, from where the dashboard is usually control over there. So these are the admin, and you can change the username and password for the dashboard as well. So these are the different things we have it. Okay, this is SEO. You know about, who knows about SEO? This is very important nowadays. Search engine for example, if sometime you
Search
want that
engine optimization.
search engine
Optimization.
optimization, very good. Yeah, you are right. Yeah, so by this way, you sometimes you give your the search engine some like clues that when you want to search things. So please take my website, for example, if someone want to search about like a tutor, or sometime about the teaching, about the location. Okay, so you give some this called keyword, SEO keyword. So you give this kind of different keywords to it. Okay, so that searching becomes easier. Your website can be easily searched by your customers over there. Okay, so this is one of the examples over there. Okay, so these are like, if you want to know about the information about, these are the students, for example, which is registered with us. Okay, and these are like the tutors we have it, or the instructors we have it. Okay, we have it. So these are the different, you can add some more instructors as well, or even they can add the instructors from that side. But here from this one, administration, you can, this is the dashboard settings for you, and how your dashboard looks like, and how it gives a where you can control it properly over there. Okay, Okay, so here, so now this one, all these menus and all this information can be control over this. So here you can give some, like for example, if you say I want this course, okay, and I want some teacher from for example Miami, let's suppose, okay, and you want to search, okay, so these all informations, it is controlled by whom? It is controlled by by the dashboard. Okay, so you can add from the dashboard